Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a social media account in Tempo app. Tempo is a creative video editing app that helps users create engaging short videos using music-based templates and effects. By connecting your social media account to Tempo, you can easily share your edited video directly to platforms like Instagram, TikTok or the YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. First, you need to open to your Tempo app and unlock your phone, and then open to your Tempo app and wait for the app to load completely until you reach the home screen. After that, you can go to your profile in the bottom right, and once you reach into this, and over here once you reach into this interface of your profile, on the top left you can see there's an option for the add social media account. What you can do is simply tap on that icon there, and over here you can either enter your TikTok username or your Instagram username, and after you're done you can select to the top right corner of this done, and that is it. And once permission is granted, your social media account will be successfully linked to Tempo, and that is it. This is how you can add and connect a social media account in the Tempo app easily. Connecting your social media accounts saves time and allows you to share your videos faster and more conveniently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.